Today I'm making cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches. First I'm going to make the ice cream, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Then I'm going to whip that up until stiff peaks form. Then I'm going to add 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Then I chopped up 10 double stuffed Oreos. I'm going to add that in. Then I'm going to fold this in and then I'm going to cover it up and place it in the freezer overnight. Next, I'm going to add these chocolate chip remix cookies on a baking sheet and bake them at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies were done and cooled, I matched them up. Now I'm going to add a scoop of the cookies and cream ice cream and then sandwich them together. Here's an up-close look of the cookies and cream ice cream sandwiches.